I am Haley, and today I want to talk to you about sort of a first phase of our kitchen renovation that we are working on. We have lived in our home for about 3 years, and we are slowly getting ready to renovate this kitchen. The kitchen is a little bit dated for my liking, but it was something that we could live with, and it was not something that would deter us from purchasing the home. We are currently working with a designer to actually completely renovate the kitchen. The only appliance that we have left, we did just purchase a new fridge. We have a dishwasher, which the home did not have when we bought it, and we do need to finally replace the stove. But other than that, it's really just counters and cabinets, which will, I think, really transform this space. Today, all we're gonna show you is how we really just changed the appearance of this space by painting. Guys, it's so simple, it's so easy, and honestly, I don't know why we waited so long to do it. So I can't wait to show you the transformation process. So that was it, guys. That is how we transformed our small little kitchen just by using a quart size of paint. We transformed this kitchen, guys. Now, there's absolutely going to be areas that we need to sort of fix and tweak as we go on. We also didn't really worry too much when we got down to sort of down here, because we are going to be replacing the countertops and we are going to be putting a subway tile backsplash, so I wasn't as picky about that. Same as behind the stove, I didn't go all the way to the floor. I really wanted to make sure that we could use one can of paint and not have to repurchase to be able to finish this space. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope maybe it gave you some inspiration to transform your kitchen space just by using paint. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. I do have some more paint projects coming your way for you to look at, and I cannot wait to hopefully soon reveal more in the renovation process of our kitchen. Bye, guys.